Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Motorola Moto E22. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and then on your smartphone enter YouTube app. And press Cast button located at the top of the screen. Now select your TV. And your smartphone is now connected. Now you can play anything on your smartphone and it will be displayed on your TV. And that's it. If you want to disconnect your smartphone from TV, again press this button and select disconnect. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.